guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can install dual WhatsApp in Samsung. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find advanced features, and it's right here guys. Just tap on it. Then after that there will be several options for you, and you have to choose dual messenger right here guys. Just tap on it. Alright, and since we want to install dual WhatsApp, so we have to tap on WhatsApp. We can click on this toggle button to activate the dual messenger of WhatsApp, and choose install. Alright guys, and the second copy of WhatsApp has been installed, and we can check it. We can go to our home screen. Okay, this is the second copy of the WhatsApp, and that's how we can install dual WhatsApp in Samsung phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.